Unit 3. Long O. O. E. A. Listen and learn.
This is a home. What's the middle sound in the word home?
O.
That's right. O. Home.
Page 24. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
O. M. Home.
O. M. Home.
2.
B. O. N. Bone.
O. N. Bone.
3.
O. N. Cone.
O. N. Cone.
4.
R. O. P. Rope.
R. O. P. Rope.
Page 25. D. Listen and write. 1.
Bone. Bone.
2.
Rope. Rope.
3.
Home. Home.
4.
Cone. Cone.
Page 25. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Home. 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 Rope. 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 Home. Rope. Home. Rope. Rope. Home. Rope. Home. Rope. Rope. Home. Home. Rope. Rope. Home. Home. I hop. I hop. I hop over. I hop over. I hop over the rope at home. I hop over the rope at home. I hop over the rope at home. I hop over the rope at home.
Page 26. Long U. U. E. A. Listen and learn.
This is a cube. What's the middle sound in the word cube?
U.
That's right. U. Cube.
Page 26. B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
U. B. Cube.
U. B. Cube.
2.
M. U. T. Mute.
M. U. T. Mute.
3.
U. T. Cute.
U. T. Cute.
4.
M. U. L. Mule.
M. U. L. Mule.
Page 27. D. listen, and write. Then match the words that rhyme. 1,
Cute, cute.
2,
Mule, mule.
3,
Cube, cube.
4,
Mute, mute.
Page 27. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Cute, mule, mute, cube. 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 Cute, cube, mute, mule. Cute, cube, mute, mule. Cute, mule, mute, cube. Cute, mule, mute, cube.
Page 28. Long U. U. E. A. Listen and learn.
This is a tube. What's the middle sound in the word tube?
Ooh.
That's right. Ooh. Tube.
Page 28. B. Listen, point, and read. 1,
Ooh. B. Tube.
Ooh. B. Tube.
2,
J. Ooh. N. June.
J. Ooh. N. June.
3,
Ooh. N. Tune.
Ooh. N. Tune.
4,
R. Ooh. L. Rule.
R. Ooh. L. Rule.
Page 29. C. Listen and connect. 1,
Tune. Tune.
2,
Rule. Rule.
3,
June. June.
4,
Tube. Tube.
Page 29. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Tune, tube, June. Tune, tube, June. Tune, tube. Tune, tube. Tube, June. Tube, June. Tune, tube, June. Tune, tube, June. Hum. Hum. Hum a tune. Hum a tune. Hum a tune on a tube in June. Hum a tune on a tube in June. Hum a tune on a tube in June. Hum a tune on a tube in June.
Page 30. Long O. O. E. Long U. U. E. Now try these.
H, O, P, hope. D, O, M, dome. N, O, T, note. J, O, K, joke. V, O, T, vote.
Were you right?
Page 31. Story. B. Look and listen. Read along. Luke and the Bone. 1.
It's June. Luke and his cute mule walk on the sand.
2.
Luke sees a bone in the sand. It is a big bone. He has a mule and a rope.
3.
Luke and his mule pull the bone with the rope.
4.
Luke is at home. He puts the big bone on the cube. Luke and his mule are happy.
New words.
Luke, sand, happy.
Sight words.
His, walk, sees, pull.